kind of white, but it's the light. I'm telling you, because in my mirror, sis, ain't no white chicks over her. Ain't no white chicks over her.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hey guys, so as you know, Valentine's Day is coming right around the corner. So today I'm going to give you, a nice little Valentine's Day look you can do, whether you're going out with your man or whether you're going to be home by yourself or maybe go out with your girls. This look is also going to be like, very versatile. You could do with the updo, down, any little thing that you want to do, you can do with this look. I'm going to do most of this look with my new NK Sugar Plum palette. So yeah, first I'm gonna prime my eyes with my Fenty Beauty primer. So what's you guys' plans for Valentine's Day? To be honest, I don't care about the holiday. I never really did, even when I had a nigga. I just really don't care, to be honest. But yeah, I'm gonna take this pink right here. This palette so far. So far, so good, ladies. I'm gonna be looking good right in the living room. Oh yeah, and look at my shirt. Holiday spirits. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this like purple just to like deepen it. And as you can see, like I have really little eyes. So I'm like kind of learning how to like put eyeshadow on my hooded eyes, as they like to call it. But I like my hooded eyes. Now I'm going to take my concealer again and a little concealer brush and cut my crease. Now I'm going to take my other brush. If I can find the brush. Oh yeah. Okay, so I found the brush. I'm just gonna take my spray the brush. And I'm gonna go in with this little champagne color right here. And I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. another brush in that same deep color and just blend everything out. It's time for your lashes, and I'm going to be using these lashes. Okay, so now that we're ready to fly away, it's time to start with this face. First, I'm going to go in with my favorite and my ex Bear With Me primer. I love this stuff. Oh my god.
Melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest.
Now that that's done, I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty foundation. I love this stuff. I do. Foundation, baby.
Finding life along the way. Melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. On and on we'll
to blend everything. I know I look kind of ghosty, but I'm telling you, I don't look like that. This is my color, guys. I promise you that. NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powders, and usually I use the Shasha Buttercup, but I have to order some more. So today I'm gonna bring it back old school with the air sprung.
Finding life along the way.
This stuff smells like baby powder.
No, I don't want no rest.
And I told you guys I don't bake, so I'm about to just dust this stuff right off right now. And I know it kind of white, but it's still light. I'm telling you, because in my mirror, sis, ain't no white chicks over her. Ain't no white chicks over her. Now, bronzer. And ain't nothing new. Sis gotta redden up her nose. Cause your girl loves a red nose. You could just call me Rudolph, to be honest. Because period. Now I'm about to take my go-to highlight palette. And I think I'm going to use this one. It's called Summer and makes me feel like a fairy.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. On we'll
go. Now I'm about to spray my life like just spray it crazy, because for some reason, I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like this air sprung feels so dry in my face. So I'm gonna use this and just drag it. My fancy fan that I love to do. Lip liner. Lip gloss. If you want to, you can leave your lips like this. But me, I want to brighten it up a little. So I'm going to take my lip gloss. Let's take the other one as well, because I'm extra, sorry. And that's the final look. Like, what? Valentine's Day ready or not? So now I'm gonna put on the outfit and come back and show you guys the whole look. Hey guys, so this is the dress. I'm gonna back up. Damn! Okay guys, so this is the pink sweatsuit that I have on. And you know, it's cute, flirty. Keep it open a little, show them cleavage. Or you can zip it up. Yeah. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. If you like the looks that I showed you in this video, give me a thumbs up, comment in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and look forward to more videos, because I'm coming hard, guys, with content, new videos every week, sometimes twice a week. Stay tuned. Put on the bell so you get notified when I post. And yeah, because we about to be lit 2020. And yeah. So yeah, thank you. Bye.